How to manage data saver on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage data saver on Google Mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google and then click these 3 points here. Not 3 points, this on your profile account, and then click settings and then click general, and now you'll find this one here, data saver. If you want to manage it, you need to make this one discover on, and then you can manage it, and now you can turn it off or on or anything you want. And then that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.